Want to learn how to send custom thank you emails after form submission? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to set up personalized thank you emails for your form submissions. Stick around because I'll even share an exclusive free trial offer that you can use to follow along with me step by step. First, let's talk about why custom thank you emails are so important. When someone fills out a form on your website, they've just taken an action that shows interest in your product or service. Sending a personalized thank you email right after shows your appreciation and keeps them engaged. Plus, it can help increase conversions and build stronger customer relationships. To get started, we'll be using a popular software, which I'll introduce in a minute. This software makes it super simple to send custom emails after a form is submitted without needing to write each email manually. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is set up your form on your website. Whether you're using a contact form, a lead generation form, or a sign-up form, this is the starting point. Most website builders have form integration tools, so you can set up the form in minutes. If you haven't done this yet, check out the links in the description for easy-to-follow guides on getting started. Next, you'll want to integrate your form with our software. The process is simple and only takes a few clicks. Once the integration is set up, you'll need to customize the settings so that the thank you email is triggered automatically after the form is submitted. Head into the settings of your form builder and look for the notifications or email settings section. This is where you can control what happens after someone submits the form. Here you can set it up so that your software sends a thank you email to the person who filled out your form. But here's the real magic, customizing the thank you email. You want this email to feel personal and unique, so make sure you include details from the form itself, like their name or any specific information they submitted. This makes the email feel more thoughtful and less like a generic template. Most form builders or CRMs allow you to use placeholders to insert this kind of information automatically. For example, you can insert the person's first name or the product or service they expressed interest in. Just look for the placeholder options in your email settings. Now, don't forget the subject line. A simple thank you can work, but you can also personalize it more, like thank you for your interest, first name. Personalization helps make your email stand out and feel more engaging. Once you've set up your custom thank you email, make sure to test it. Submit a form yourself and see how it looks when it's sent to your inbox. Double check that the personalized fields are filling in correctly and that everything looks polished. If anything seems off, tweak your email settings until it's just right. The best part? If you're interested in trying this out yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software we're using in the description below. You can use it to follow along and set up your own custom thank you emails in no time. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Now, here's your key takeaway. Sending custom thank you emails after form submission is a simple but powerful way to engage your leads and customers. Make sure your emails are personalized and timely, and use the software that makes this process seamless. Remember, we've covered setting up the form, integrating with the software, customizing the email, and testing it to ensure it looks perfect. Before you go, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial from the description below to follow along with this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.